Good evening,
How
teacher.
are you today?
Fine.
Okay, today we are going to study something that is important for your life. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I know that this picture is the picture is small, but try to see. Please read the first sentence.
Ooh.
Short term,
Short term.
medium term,
Uh-huh.
long term.
Okay. What do you think or what do you imagine when you read these sentences or phrase?
Goals.
Goals, other words,
Objective,
objectives,
Objectives.
other word that is similar,
Goals,
target, correct.
purposes also.
Excellent.
Goal. Objective.
And target. This word is characteristic that this word is smart. Why? Because it's specific, measurable, and something that you get achieved. Realistic, and the three words is related the time. What do you think about the concept of goal? Martin, tell me a concept maybe you know about goal.
Well, probably goal is something that you set to be developed along your life. This could be like you said at the beginning, in short term, medium term, or long term.
Yes.
That's what I understand.
Flor, what do you think about targets?
maybe is those things that you want to achieve or people that you want to get attract.
I have this concept. This is the indication of activity or a plan. What do you think? This corresponds goal or to the target?
Objective.
Intention.
Implementation of an activity or a plan.
Goal.
Probably goal.
Okay. Have that. It's something you plan to achieve.
Objective.
Achieve. Can you read, please? Peter?
The exact result that a person intends to achieve by doing something. Target.
Yes. This part. But what is the difference between these words? You know that this is achieve, plan, but when you think in an objective, what do you think is something that you plan in the life, yes? But is a
Formal
informal
situation.
situation, yes, it's an informal situation. And when you think a goal is something for
Long term.
yes. In the case of the target is common when you use in when you for example a company. Yes. Okay. I want to pass this pen, and when I say stop, I want to add something. Okay.
Okay.
Stop. Yes, you. Take one and read. Mention one
Mention one.
target. Okay. Stop.
Mention one goal.
That's easy.
Maybe
Get married?
Stand up your career.
oh, have a baby.
Oh,
A baby
Okay.
boy.
Oh.
The name Francisco.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
And the last one, please, Martin.
Oh my goodness, why me? Someone rejected to get a boyfriend. So what? It's okay. An objective in my life, an objective to end up my career as soon as possible.
Okay,
Probably this coming semester. That would be okay.
okay,
Not to fail.
okay, thank you. Well, when you see this picture, what do you imagine?
A common objective?
When people work
Yeah,
together
exactly.
in order to achieve something.
In order to achieve something, exactly.
Yes.
For example, in a company.
Yes. This work, this in common, yes?
Yes.
All of the work have to get the center. The center is achieve the goal and the target. Okay?
Okay.
Right now, getting pairs in work about something like that. Do you see? My goal. Write some sentences about that and before Okay. Did you finish?
Yes.
No yet.
Not yet.
Teacher.
The only, tell me about the only goal that you want
Well, one of my
to
goals is
achieve.
to get happier for the next year, to do it more healthier.
Okay, thank you.
Me too.
Me too. The same. Okay. And you?
Graduate next year.
Oh, excellent.
Okay. And Peter?
Excellent.
To get married.
Oh,
So sweet. Okay,
Wow.
thank you, class. I see you the next class.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. ¿Dónde